Okay, this is the American Autowire kit for the 67, 68 Camaro for just a simple updated kit. And I'm just going to go over real quick what's in the box. When you open it up, so you get a list, your typical warnings, and you got a list of all the items are in here associated with it. So you've got the floor dimmer switch, the headlight switch, the dash harness kit, instrument cluster wiring kit, console gauge wiring kit, engine wiring kit, front light wiring kit, rear body wiring kit, ignition switch lock cylinder and keys, fuse relay and flasher kit, a courtesy light kit, ignition switch, the front parking light kit, practice terminal and crimping kits, VSS connection kit, the alternator and main power connection kit, firewall modification templates, kit instruction sheet, and the warning sheet. So here's the warning sheet. Here's the template, and then here's the instructional sheet here with the tools you need, and then directions on wiring and where things go. And then for what's in here, so again, here's the engine wiring kit. So it starts at firewall plug, and then we've got the console kit, and then get some fuses and some other miscellaneous. And here we've got the instrument cluster. And the big one, which is the dash kit, and it does have the Autowire sticker on there. So quite a bit of plugs. I don't know exactly what's included in terms of the plugs, but it might be on the installation on the instructions on the kit itself when you open up the package. And here's the rear body kit. So it looks like it has all the lights and the miscellaneous. And then the courtesy light kit. And then the front light kit. And I believe all these wires are just longer than you need be, so that you make them cut to length when you go and install it. And this is various applications. So this is a classic update series, the VSS lead wires. And this is the headlight switch that goes on the dash. Here's your battery terminals, which is your alternator main power connection kit. And here's your ignition switch. Some wire plugs. And this is your dimmer switch. And then your parking light connection kit. And then you get a set of keys. And that's it for the package. So just put them back in. Let's see.
yard sign. What?
All right, that's it.